Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into a custom one on SONY Xperia 5 Mark V. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using this search engine. And now you can click here, you can go to settings, click on search engine option, and now in recently visited you should have yep.com. So select that and then click back, and as you can see my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.